Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a natural look for you guys. I kind of like a get ready with me, just something really neutral in my nude palette that I got from Ulta, which is from ColourPop. Let's get right into this video. I'm gonna start by moisturizing my face because my skin is very dry right now. Also, good news, I finally finished my shopping for my Canada trip for spring break. I finished all my shopping. I finished all my shopping for my trip. I got coats, which I think I'm gonna do a video because I don't think my clothes are gonna be here before I leave. So I kind of want to like share a screen with you guys and just show you guys what I got, because I was kind of smart in budgeting on this trip for like what I want to get, and I was smart this time. My mom packed for the weather. I was trying to get cute, but I was like, you know what? Let me stop because I hear Canada code is a different code. So I got some stuff that I can do to actually keep me warm. So I'm excited. So I think I'm gonna do a video on that and share the screen and show you guys what I got. Like I said, I don't think my clothes will be here before if they are, I can do a haul for you guys, but I'm also gonna be home, so I'll just see how that works because it's a lot. So I am now gonna go with my eyebrows, guys. I was gonna like leave them, but I'm like, nope, let me just fill them in. I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics brow palette. I had this for like 2-3 years and it still looks like I have not like really touched it. And you notice that with eyebrow powder. I just think it lasts longer than gel because you don't have to use that much of it. I don't know why I put like a T at the end of much. No, I wasn't the only one that heard that, y'all. But I'm also excited because I'm almost to 100 subscribers. So I'm gonna have to do something like a good little celebration for that. I think I came a long way because I'm still very new to YouTube, but I'm like, I came a long way and I'm proud of myself, and I kind of want to do a video about that too. So yeah. Okay guys, so I finished my brows. I think I'm ready. I've set my concealer already with my powder. I used the color Cool Tan for my eyes, the Pro LA Girl Max Concealer. This is what it looks like. You can get it from Ulta for like $5. So I'm gonna go in with my palette, but first I need to put another shirt on. Ow. You know, you can never be too safe with eyeshadow because I don't want it to get on my black shirt. I just washed this. But it's crazy how lint is already on it. So I'm just gonna do this. Well, you know what? Yeah, we'll just put this on over it. So I am using my ColourPop palette, the Nude Mood. This is what it looks like. I am actually going for the browns. I'm gonna be using these two. So I'm gonna use the brown on my base. And it's called Moody. And I'm going for just a really basic brown eyeshadow. Really nice pigment. Like, I don't know what's up with these palettes recently. All my palettes I've been buying, like, these things are so nice. And it's crazy because each are so different, but people who don't do makeup or don't, like, understand it or like it, they probably think everything is the same, but it's not. So I'm gonna blend this in. It looks like chocolate on my eyes. Oh, that's pretty. And it blends out very nicely. Okay, so this is what it looks like after blending. As you can tell, this is a perfect brown to just put on and go. This is like, I'll be looking for some good browns, and it's a really good shade, and it blends perfectly. So I'm gonna use the same brush, which I would use a different one, but it's not one, I don't really have another one that holds a lot of product. So I'm gonna take that shimmer Lap of Lux, that's what it's called, this one. I wanna put this in the beginning of my eye. It's really hard to see this though. But, oh, okay, we're good. Okay, so this is what it looks like after. Can you guys see it? Oh, that's pretty. I like that it's not too shimmery. It really blends in with this brown, which is like, it gives it like a little extra shimmer. That's what I like. So yeah, I didn't want to put that on the whole eye. I wanted to just put it at the beginning. So I'm gonna go in with my liner. And also blending this out, that eyeshadow is very thick, but it's not too thick, but it blends out perfectly, so you don't have to blend it too hard. Just hold your blending brush and do it lightly. Now we got the liner on, guys. I'm gonna let that sit so they can dry. I do not want to mess up my liner. I always do them differently. It's so funny, but I didn't want to go too thick. Also, I'm gonna do a little I'm gonna do a bright gold in the corner of my eye at the end. I'm not gonna do jewels because I don't want to overdo his face. I want a really pretty shimmer, just normal neutral face, if that makes sense. So we're gonna start this face because we have to do foundation, concealer, powder. Okay, now that I have surpassed the eyeshadow, I can tell you I took the that regular shirt off. I'm gonna go in with my foundation. I use the 355 Fit Me Maybelline foundation. I still need to get a new one. I said no, I say this every time. I'm also running out of this one, so I do gotta stock up. Also for my trip, I gotta take one. I gotta make sure I have a full one. So I'm gonna go with my foundation just across my face. I don't typically every day do a full like foundation in my face, but I'm just trying to cover everything today. I'm doing a full coverage makeup look. But also, still be careful because my eyeliner is still drying. Always remember foundation covers everything it's supposed to, but at the same time it doesn't. That's the point of concealer. Concealer lightens under your eyes and it also covers the rest of it. That's why I put it under my eyes. People normally put it on top, under their eyes, under their chin, wherever you want, but it covers everything. Now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm using Toffee and Fawn. Also, when making sure when you do your foundation, if you're not concealing your eyes on top, just go around it with foundation. If you do your face, just because it cleans it up. I conceal the under my eyebrows. I don't do the top of my brows. So I always go over it with my foundation just to make it to clean it up. And also, I don't typically do a full, like when I'm going to class, when I'm doing my makeup, I don't like do a full concealer. I just cover up some parts because, y'all, my skin is so oily and I don't have time to like blot that stuff away or powder. Like my skin get really oily when I leave my makeup on for too long. And I'd be gone like a whole day when I'm on like during like my Monday, Wednesday, Fridays classes. So I try not to do a full face. And I like this. I love this concealer though because it's a thick, full coverage. Okay, guys, so I'm done blending, and it actually did not take that long at all. I'm going to go and set my face with my powder, which I really should have put another shade on for, but I think I got it. This blends out so good. Like the concealer blends out so good. Also, I think it just looked good because my hair looked good. Like my hair is on point. I actually plan on when I dye it again. I didn't even do a video on this, but I cut it last time I went home. I shaved it really low because I left my shirt guards there, so I went as low as I could, and that's why it's still low. This is what it looks like. So my next video I do with my hair will be before I leave on my vacation until when I leave the country. Love saying that. When I go to Canada, I'm going to shave it all again because it's going to be grown out by next 2 weeks. Then I'm going to bleach it. I'm not going to bleach it until I leave because I think I'm good. My roots are going to be grown out by then. So I'm going to bleach it. I'm going to cut it and I'm going to probably have to do it 5 times because I want this to go platinum. So that's what I'm going for next time, y'all, to look amazing on this trip. Okay, now we're gonna go in with I'm gonna go with my concealer. I want like contour around my face. Now I'm just doing a dark contour. Like I'm just so surprised how my hair looked. I took a shower today and all I did was wash it. These are my natural patterns. They kind of like wave up. And I kind of like that. I don't like my hair like being curly anymore. And that's how I know when it gets too thick. That's how I know when I need to cut my hair or shave it when it curls up. So this is my natural pattern. All I did was wash it, put my product on it, and put like some Eco Gel around my edges, and that's it. Perks of having short hair, you don't have to do that much to look good. So now I'm gonna go with my under eyes. I'm gonna take that same brush I had, which I've been using the whole time. I'm gonna put the excess product on here because there's a lot of product still on here. think I said that so fast. I'm also gonna go in, I'm gonna go with my, I don't think I'm gonna do blush, but I do need the palette to do my highlighter. Not my highlighter, my inner corner color. I'm not gonna forget, I almost forget. I almost forgot until I looked in the mirror. So I'm gonna go in with this Sun Kiss, it's this color. I also had this palette for like 2 years and it still looks amazing. I use this every time I do my makeup. You can never go wrong with extra gold in the corner, so that's what it looks like, guys. I'm trying to see if I want to do blush. I really did want to. I think I will. I still love it. I'm gonna go kind of with that. I'm gonna go with the dark color. It's a pomegranate color, kind of like a purple, but just wanted a little bit on my cheeks. And that's all we're gonna do. Now, I'm finished with this. I'm about to set my face, do my little mascara, lashes, lip gloss, throw some earrings on, and y'all will see the finished look. And this is the finished look, guys. I added my lashes, I set my face, I added the lip gloss, the earrings, and of course, you know, I still have my Steve Jobs sweater on. So I hope you guys like it. You can see the little brown shimmer with the regular brown. It turned out really pretty. This is definitely an everyday look. If you want to go cute, like go with a little extraness, I added the inner corner. You can also add jewels to this if you want to go a little more extra. I don't know, it's up to you, but I just love how this looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I am Tatiana Green. Follow my makeup channel at Makeup with Tatiana. All will be in the link in the description. I have more videos to record for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.